It is 6 a.m. in the morning of our HIP day. We have spent the whole night getting ready for the HIP. So we have done up double partition from our living room to our kitchen. Ouch. As you can see, it's a maze of plastic hoarding. The toilet will be the main focus of the HIP, so we have taped up everything, including our stygon, and we intend not to use our kitchen for the next 12 days. 12 days because it's actually 10 working days, including half a working day on Saturdays. So on the weekends, or rather on Sunday, they will not be working. So it's 12 days. Thankfully, we only need to renovate one common toilet, and we don't need to go down to use the public toilet for our daily needs. We will also be expecting to remove this main door and the gate as well. So we'll wait and see how this goes. So this plastic hoarding took us, it's 6 a.m. now. I think it took us 5.5 hours, 2 people. One row of plastic and maybe 3 tapes of the 3M painter's tape. This is about, I think, 3 odd cm. Yep, so a lot of logistics required. We will follow up with the HIP later.